Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. I get so many requests of posting videos about Eschweiler. Yes, Eschweiler is actually a very underrated city in Germany. It is in Nordrhein-Westfalen is a state and it is very near to my city Aachen. And Aachen is very famous, but Eschweiler is, I don't know, people don't know much about Eschweiler. And but still, I like Eschweiler so much, and even people who live in Eschweiler and they watch my vlogs, get very excited and they want to see the city through my vlogs, and that is why I post vlogs sometimes about here because I like this city very much. The area is so beautiful. You can see the area around the left and right. There's so many vast fields, so much greenery, so much calm, so many people, but still so much calm and so much space. And it is a wonderful place to spend time with your family, bring your kids, and in such a nice weather I wanted to do cycling with my kids because they were sitting in the home for such a long time because of lockdown that I wanted to do some cycling, and so my daughter came along with me, and that is why I thought I will post a video that you can also do cycle with us. I love the houses also. These are farmhouses. The way all of these things are constructed. When I see people walking, jogging, cycling, skating, it gives me positive vibes. I also get energy to do something, and the weather was also super cool. This is a roundabout of, and this is a sign that yes, our this area has come. This area I have also covered many times in my vlogs. Blaustein See. This is a lake, very famous lake, very beautiful lake. I have already made vlogs on that. Today we will be cycling around the fields and I will also give you a glimpse of that lake. This is a parking place and this is totally free. So that is why most of the people park there here. But there is also a parking area near the lake for which it is €2 cost. And these are the fields where we'll be cycling today. And my daughter is in front of me. She will not come in front of the camera. She is a bit shy, just like my son and my husband also. They're very camera shy people. And you can see that she looks small, but no, she's actually a bit taller than me, a few inches taller than me. She's 14-year-old, and this is a cycle which she bought from Decathlon. And this cycle was actually very cheap, not expensive, and still very good foldable cycle it is. And people are skating in front of me, and I love the people the way they do the skating inline skates. It keeps the kids so much occupied also, and it is a good exercise. So you can see in Germany there are so many vast fields. Agriculture is really practiced a lot here. I prefer buying local vegetables. These are mustard fields actually on the right hand side. Then there is some cabbage also, radish also, and farmers are actually well paid here. So here are the fields of cabbage, radishes, and on these roads, cars are not allowed. Only the farmers can bring their vehicles here. And my daughter is again in front of me. They are sitting all the time on their study table, and they have so many projects, they have so much things to do, that I thought it is necessary that they get up and do some exercise and come out in the nature. It is very important. My son could not come because he had online class, so he didn't come. Even if it was a weekend, they had some group meeting going on and some discussions they had to do within the students. So that is the here the school life, that in upper classes like ninth and 10th classes, the stress starts getting build up building up. You have to keep track of your projects and classes, homework, everything. So some people think that okay, in foreign countries studies are not that hard. No, they are hard. You have to really work very hard for your grades. So these are the windmills. You can see Germany is so much about green energy. People prefer paying more for the green energy. On every Friday, even now, they are like Fridays for Future campaign, that protest is held, that march is done for the climate. Right now houses are actually very very expensive. Buying house or even renting a house, things are getting very expensive here. But still, I so much want to buy a house near the fields. We always dream about that house should be at such a natural place, but right now it is really getting very difficult. And practically also it gets a bit difficult because then kids school will be far away, supermarkets will be a bit far. But I think this area is pretty good, like it's really very beautiful to spend your time with your family. So now we are going to the lake side. I will show you a glimpse of the lake. Lake is so beautiful, but because of the corona, people are not having their usual activities. Otherwise, they are sitting on the beach, they are eating, they are having party. So there are all sorts of activities are done there. Like you can cycle there, you can do just relaxing, you can eat, you can just have a fun time with your friends and family. So this is a parking place for the bikes, and you can also, on the left hand side, there is a car parking which is paid actually for €2 you can park. So bikers also come there, and it's really a very pretty place. And this is a lake, blue water. You can see there are very less people here, otherwise it is totally full. In such a beautiful weather, it is totally full. I think now we should go back. So I hope you liked my this vlog, and if you did, please hit the like button, and please tell me in the comment box if you have some suggestions for me, and please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. Let me know if you want me to cover any topic, if you want any information from me. I will be very happy to share my knowledge with you. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.